Oh, it is.
That's right.
You just throw it on the floor.
No, this looks like a trash can. Okay, what did we get? What did we get?
I'm like the worst person to be opening this box. My husband always makes fun of me. It takes me like
There you go, you
forever.
did it. You did it.
Whoa, all right.
So we went to Japan.
Holy moly, this box is so
Hey.
full.
Says, dear Flavor Tribe member, holiday in Japan. On behalf of the entire Flavor Noire staff of 2, we'd like to take this opportunity to thank you, to welcome you to the Flavors of the World box. We are thrilled to deliver the first box ever and looking forward to taking you on a trip to Japan through your box.
Yeah,
Excellent.
The kitchen tools are all things that I have. I love it when that happens.
We can put in a plug there.
Yeah.
Look at that. Sushi. Lazoni soup, if I said that correctly. All right, help yourself.
Well, you're letting me unpack this with you. Are you going to also
yes.
bring me something you cook from it? Or?
Absolutely.
You know where to
I'm
find
moving
me?
it back so because I don't know how to cook. So.
Matcha tea. Oh, and it includes some tools. That's really
right.
neat.
This is the rolled sushi. This is a rolling, sushi rolling thing. I've seen them do it.
Oh, this is really beautiful.
Excellent. Yeah, you put the rice in there and you roll the sushi up.
Rice cake, yum.
Yeah, and some sticky rice. Authentic Japanese sticky rice.
Chopstick rest.
Oh,
This is
there you
like-
go. Right.
This is more than a food box. This is like a gift box. You get all the tools too.
Oh, and a legitimate soy sauce. Just like the restaurants.
Dry gourd. Cool.
This looks like wasabi. Wasabi in a tube. So those are nice chopsticks.
They're so cute.
2 pairs, obviously, for dinner for 2. And you have to have 2.
Saucy mushrooms, my favorite.
Oh yes, the mushrooms. This
Dried
is
kelp.
the seaweed that you roll the sushi in.
I think this one's the seaweed.
Oh, there
For
you go.
rolling,
There
yeah.
you go. There you go. That's what it looks like.
And then what's this one? Oh, bonito. Yum.
All right.
And then this beautiful paper.
It's just like the origami. What is more Japanese than origami?
This is really beautiful. And look, it gives you little instructions here for making.
All right. For making the origami and
Yes.
for making the. Of course, the recipe cards had the full recipe for the food part of it. More in the
What's in the
box.
box?
All right. Excellent. Full
Beautiful,
content.
beautiful.
That is
Well,
very
enjoy
cool.
this.
Yes.
I'm gonna get myself on the list.
Yeah. Well, hey, I think you'll allow that. Excellent. All right. See if we can pack it up as well as it was packed.
It's always the hard part, right? Never goes in the same way.
That's right. So we have ozoni soup and ikio maki. Looks like it has fillings. Okay.
Yum.
Very nice.
This is
Look at
beautiful.
this step-by-step instructions. Even I can do this.
Proof is in the pudding.
There
We
you
just buy
go.
pictures.
That is awesome.
It's really nice.